So I spent the last 10 minutes building this, and I realized that I was not recording. Guess I'll start again. Okay, this is what I'm gonna be doing. This is a list of blog posts, as you can see. Currently it just opens up like this, and it displays the contents. What I'd like to do is give it its own URL, give it its own route, probably append this ID on the back of this, because it'll be much better for SEO, and I want to add tags, because currently this is all just one page. So it's very hard to Google for individual posts. What I've done so far is I've created this component, blog, what is this? This blog display component, and I've given it this route. So I'll append the ID on the back. This full screen. So this yeah, this is the blog component, which is this, and this is the child component I just created. You can see this input. I'm passing the blog from here to here. I should probably show you the HTML. Here we are. This at blog display. So I'm passing R. This, I'm just ng4ing this is an array of blogs, and then I'm reversing it. And this is an on-click on the div, so anywhere in the div will trigger the thing. And I've just got some CSS for this, for the donuts. So now I'm passing, oh, what are you looking at? Oops. As you can see, I've got this route method that is not complete. So what I'm thinking is it takes in the ID, and then it pushes the user to the corresponding URL. So it'll just blog and then append the ID on the back, and it has the blog contents as well, which is being passed. I'm just thinking, actually it doesn't, does this component need to do the routing, or can the parent component do the routing? And then yeah, I've been doing, it's been a while since I've done anything on, oh yeah, in case you haven't already realized, this is Angular 5, I think. Angular 5, it's got Node on the back end. Anyway, it's been a while since I've worked with Angular. I've been doing quite a bit of React. Okay, let's do the routing. Hold on, turn this. Let's see. No routing here. Yeah. Any sample application. There you go. I want to see an example. Oh no. Define routes. Blah blah blah. Okay, I've done this, and I don't need this. I've got this, set up redirects. What? No, I don't need this. Parameters, path. Ah, this could be useful. ID. Hero ID. The router composes the URL from the array. Don't analyze the URL, let the router do it. The router extracts the route parameter from the URL and supplies. Activated route. What is this? Probably need this. Where does it go though? It says it goes in here. Let's take all of this. I need to do. So I was looking around my old hard drives and I found a file called part 1, and it was a video of me trying to implement routing in this. That's a few months ago now, but I figured I might as well finish it up. So the video is going to be like cut up where okay, so what I've done, I've implemented the routing here. This is what I was talking about, the ID. Yeah, okay, I'll show you the code. So what did I do? I've also implemented meta tags for like SEO, so search engines can find the stuff. And on my, I have a content management system which is accessed through another URL. I get to add the tags, which keywords here. So when I'm writing the blog post, yeah. So for the routing, essentially what I did was I pulled an activated route here, so also a router, and then I used this snapshot param. Let's see, just going from here. So I go, what am I doing here? Route blog ID. Okay, so this, I'll show you. This parent component, this is the blog component. And when I click in, this is the blog display component. So this is the parent component. What the parent component is doing is not very much, basically. It's doing this, it's calling this function route blog, and what that does is it navigates to the URL and it appends the ID on the back, like so. Adds this in, and then my what's this called? This blog component, it gets the ID from the URL. It reads from the URL. This is what this snapshot thing does, and then it calls this function to make an
one there, to make another HTTP call to get the blog with ID obviously, and then it maps to the results, and then it displays it in the HTTP like so. The way I've done it up is, I don't remember the name of the library I'm using, but essentially it's like an editor, so I can add like paragraphs and different kinds of text and stuff, so it's already in HTML. That's why I'm using this in HTML. If it was just plain text, you could just use these bracket things, like how everything else is done in Angular. This is just the name. This is the date I think created it, and then I manipulated a bit.